Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to crossblogxtv. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Yes. Today's update is about the one and only black and beautiful in Oba Ojaja's life. Olori Ashley Adegoke. Yes. We all know who Olori Ashley Adegoke is. Let's as you can see in this video, this is the beginning of their love. Yes, you can see that Olori Ashley and Oba Ogunwusi, they've been together for a while. You can see them. And in my previous video, I also said that Olori Ashley, she's the one that does most of all the tradition, because most of the Oloris can do it. So that's why I'm sure that's why Ooni of Ife loves her more, because she understood the tradition, and she's also from Ile-Ife as well. So so she's been practicing all these things, and she has been dressing like a queen. Please drop a comment down below. The beautiful ebony queen, Olori Ashley, she's been there for Ooni of Ife, so she deserves to be crowned. She deserves to be called one of the Olori of Ooni of Ife, Oba Ojaja second. You can tell in all these their pictures, the way they smile together. You see the way she's hugging him here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and one thing is Adibin Ooni of Ife, Oba Ojaja second. Okay, let's say because his marriage between my beautiful, elegant, pretty queen Olori Queen Shilekunla didn't work out. If you had just kept only Olori Ashley alone, everything would be sweet, no problem, no drama. But another thing we heard, that Ooni of Ife cannot make somebody that's already given birth to another man to become the yeye of Ile-Ife. So I understand. Yeah, I understand. So okay, say fair enough. Ooni of Ife fẹ́yàwó mi, one should be okay now. Then Olori Ashley will be like Igbakeji. What do you think? Please drop a comment down below. Because Olori Ashley and Ooni of Ife, you can see the way they blossom together, as in, but the way she holds him, oh my God, it melts my heart. And she really behaves like a proper queen, and she understands the tradition. That one supersedes everything. She knows everything. And the way to Shiman Kyoko Egan, I'm going to show you one of her capture. The Oriki alone, if you are reading it for your husband, trust me, mama drop as I means your bank account. They'll be dropping more money to you. Any which way, we greet you, Olori Ashley. You are really a very patient person, and it shows that you really love Ooni of Ife. Even like it tells, because you didn't say because he has so many wives now, you don't want to do the tradition. They should choose the yeye now, but the yeye can't do it. But you still continue to do your function. You still carry out your functions. I'm so happy. Anyway, we wish you all the best. With the online in-laws, we can only just say our own. Upon all different bloggers have been saying about you, you still keep your head up. You don't really care, and that is good. You just more or less like Queen Naomi in a way, because you are just like Queen Naomi in a way, because all the bombasting, all the bloggers, all the violence around her. My beautiful queen, she will not answer anybody. That is good. And I can see now that please drop a comment down below. Did you notice that ever since Oba Ooni of Ife Ojaja crowned Olori Ashley, oh my God, it's like her beauty just came out from nowhere. I'm not saying she wasn't beautiful before, as in the glowness just came out. Okon radiates ni. Black is beautiful. Omo tu baski, otu dun dada. The black just the shine anyhow. Anyway, thank you so much. With the online in-laws, bloggers, we can only say our own. As we see, with the talk, everybody has different ways they see things. We have different visions about, So, but one thing I like about Olori Ashley is her skin remains the same. I'm proud of you, Olori Ashley. We have to educate people on how to maintain their skin. You are black beauty, and you are beautiful continue that way, because black don't crack, or black don't crack. Your skin won't crack, Tabata one low cream here and there, your skin is just going to be messed up. But anyway, we are proud of you, and we see that you are happy in all this. I'm sure my subscriber, all these pictures that you've seen, you can see the connection, that this is really original roots. She loves her husband. Thank you so much from crossblogxtv. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Stay tuned. God bless.